Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode number 10 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to build our portfolio to $10,000 in the first year of investing. So as we look into the portfolio here, we can see we are up a total of $460 or 10.75% all time. So the portfolio keeps going up. Really happy with all of my investments that I made. I'm going to scroll down and let you guys know what I'm buying today. So we have $250 deposited into the account. Before we get started with the buys today, I also want to just go over the total dividends that I've made so far with this account is $45.71. So really happy about those dividends. They're slowly starting to increase over time. I'm at about $10 on a monthly basis. So those will only keep going up as we invest more into these different companies. So today I wanted to invest more into two of my main ETFs. Now, if I were to go back to starting investing today, these would be my two holdings. If I were to just choose two companies, what we're going to do is start off buying VDY today. Now, total gains of VDY is about 14%. Now, the stock is definitely seeing a little bit of an uptrend recently, but I believe in this stock long term. It has great holdings, lots of Canadian banks, and high dividend yield companies. So we're going to be buying another 4 shares of this today into our TFSA on market buy. Perfect. And the next stock we're going to be buying today is VFV. So VFV, I've talked about it before, but it taps into the S&P 500. So with Wealthsimple Trade, you're kind of limited to a lot of Canadian stocks. So to get some diversification into the US market, I really recommend VFV because with platforms like Wealthsimple, if you don't already know, see at the top here, it says 91.40 Canadian dollars. So this company is traded in Canadian dollars, so you're not charged any of the conversion fees. And with the amazing thing about Wealthsimple Trade, it is a zero commissions platform. So if I'm buying this, I'm not charged any costs to buying this stock. So we're going to buy 1 share of VFV in our TFSA. Unfortunately, we don't have enough money there. I guess the dividends that I made weren't as much as I thought. So instead of buying VFV, let's go back into our stocks and find another stock that we can purchase today. Let's see what the average cost is. You know what? I'm going to deposit a little bit more money into the account so we can buy that share of VFV. So I'll just get right to that and I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. I actually had a different idea. So what I'm going to do is what I wanted to do a lot earlier is get rid of that one Air Canada stock. So what we're going to be doing is selling that one Air Canada stock, and that'll give us enough funds to buy that 1 share of VFV. So although the airline companies are coming back and travel is going to continue in the future, I'm still a little bit skeptical of Air Canada. It's not a very high dividend paying stock. So I want to sell this 1 share that I have, and that'll give us enough capital to buy the 1 share of VFV. So I'm sharing that or selling that, market buy or sell. And then what we should have is enough to purchase 1 share of VFV. Perfect. Confirm order. Awesome. So just after going through all that, the portfolio again is up $458, 10.7% all time. Really happy about that. If you guys had any questions, leave it in the comments, and be sure to subscribe, like, comment, do everything you do. And if you haven't been on Wealthsimple yet, there's a link in the description. If you get started, you get a little bit of a bonus, and I get a little bit of a kickback from that too. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for tuning in, and talk to you soon.